Generally, it is good to have less noise around because there may be some people having good meditation, able to concentrate. So less, when you go out, or less noise, there is mentioned in the text that maybe in Tantric college or somewhere, somebody's in the very good meditation in the mandala yourself deity. So as meditating while, you see, proper meditation, you see. General stage was there. And then somebody disturbed, somebody have a good meditation, you see, somebody was there, able to meditate well, and somebody disturbed. And then that person need to do 100,000 of high puja to purify that negative karma. So there's like that mentioned. Somebody with very good meditation like that. If it's disturbed, then there's some things mentioned about that. So so generally, it's good to come and going, make less noises. You can't make it impossible. You can't walk without noise. But I think you can't walk. You can't without noise. But I see as much less as possible. Without noise, maybe not possible, but as much more careful. So that then I think, of course, cough, something comes out. Without choice. So, of course, no question. You can do it. It just comes out. So there's no buttons to block. There's no. But it's something that you can. But you get something that you can control. It's good to try that. But if something comes out naturally, you can't do that. That's not, that's not what you can do. But something you can control, noises. It's good during the session. During the, when you chant mantra, what happens is when everybody's trying to meditate that time. Well, not when you do prayer, but when you do everybody trying to meditate that time. Then so also the blown nose and all that. Can blow nose, otherwise can go out and then you see clean nose and then coming back with that. But so that if somebody you see also somebody might get irritated with the, you're concentrating well, then somebody you hear noises might get upset or might get so just anyway. The point is that some things which you don't have a choice, that no control, no choice, but something which you can control, then less noise is better during the session, during the mantra. I'm not talking during the prayer, but I'm during the okay. So that good. So that's our mind. Okay. So thank you very much.